Hi guys, today I am going to do Hey Elephant. I got this elephant cut out from Lotus Lasers on Etsy, I believe. Yeah, so it's going to be for my grandson's bedroom. So I'm going to be using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed pouring paints. They leave a gloss finish, and I will be adding some silicone to the cup. I'm going to do a simple dirty pour. Just back to the basics. And I did some letters for his room with his name spelled out, and really liked how they turned out. And I really had a lot of fun just doing a regular dirty pour. I hadn't done one in forever, and now I feel like I need to do another one because it was a lot of fun. So I'm going to use the same colors I used on his name. You guys probably haven't seen that video yet. That will be coming out soon, as it dries. But I'm just going to fill my cup. Now these are ready to pour paints. They come like this, ready to go. So it's very good for beginners. I'm just letting the paint go down the side so that the paint is layered and is not all mixed up. Down the side. See how it stays like on top? I'm going to put 2 drops of silicone in it. Granted, this isn't the color of a elephant, but it's going to match his letters. And I'm going to put 2 more. And that'll be it for that. Do the purple. Turquoise. Red. And then some more white. All right, hopefully this is enough paint. I am, however, going to, on the outsides, just put some white to help it go over the edges. Whoa, I almost just dumped that whole paint. So I'm just doing you don't have to do this, but it does help on these cutouts. Well, it actually helps on any pour, actually, to help it get over the edges nice and smoothly. You do waste a little bit of paint, but in the end, it's worth it because you're not having to fight so hard and turn a bunch of, like, tilted a bunch. All right, cup's so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna squeeze it, and I'm just gonna do circular lines, or like circular pattern, just like I did the letters, because I want them to match. So I'm going to let that sit a minute. I have a couple of holes here I may need to fill. So I'll do just a little bit. Little bit more. I don't want to have to stretch it a whole lot. I do feel like it needs to I think I need something to make it a little bit brighter. So I think I'm going to add some yellow in it. Okay. I mean, the holes are probably filling in, but I still think I need some different colors. Make it kind of bright. And then these little lines from it usually make some pretty cool little designs. Not digging it fully right now. There we go. Got to bring some of that yellow into the trunk. Okay. I think that's good. Got a little chunk of something there. All right, I'm gonna give it a little torch. Get the bubbles out. And then I'm gonna tilt it a little bit and see what we can do with it. First, I'm gonna go this way. Then we're gonna go off this way. Kind of hard to get in those little creases, but I think I got pretty good coverage. It did tape the back, but you want to always get the paint off of the back of your surface so that it doesn't continue to pull the paint. And then you can like lose some of the things that you like about it. Well, hell. Just messed that up. It's okay. It'll be okay. I messed it up. Kind of integrate this a little bit. There we go. All right. I haven't seen the back of it. Well, looks like it's covered pretty good, except for right there. Okay. This is where it fell. All right, cool. I think he looks cute. Remy's room is in animals, so this will go good with his letters that I made him. So I'm going to get all the bubbles out. And I did use some silicone, so this will also help create some cells. So I encourage everybody to do what I did. With all these fancy pours out there and, you know, your Dutch pours, all these specific pours, the blooms, while they are super pretty and I love doing them, it is good sometimes just to come back, bring yourself back down, and just do a regular acrylic pour. And It's super fun. So let me get you and I'll give you a close-up. Okay. Hang on, this light's way too bright. Hang on here. There. All right. So these Artist Loft paints, like I said, they are ready to pour straight from the store. They don't have silicone in them already, but you can mix silicone into them. This is super psychedelic. I love him. So yeah, they are right here. Ready Mixed pouring paint. They are a little bit pricey, but use your 40% coupon on them. They dry super glossy. And they pour great. And as you can see, I mean, I had a lot of colors in there. And look at, they're not muddied at all. They're very distinguished, stand on their own. This looks kind of like a little puzzle piece. But this is going to change over the next probably half hour. Different cells will start popping up. He's cute. I like him. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And once he's dry, and I got some resin on him, then I will show on an upcoming video. That I'm going to put out for all of the other stuff that I've done, like how did they dry video. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Okay, here's a little bit better view of him without all that stuff in the background. It's hard to see when the table's all a mess from the pour. He's so cool. I love him.